Hey, Wale, we're a champion, right? I beg. Follow no road. You understand me? Well, because they say them Ghana artists they behave some way. So if you come, everybody they will give you the way they charge. Then, who tell you that? If you don't see where they kill me for the country, hey, you know if you go talk, hey, this matter, you go talk, hey, this thing, hey, this it be problem, oh, hey, this thing, the way they know, hey, this thing, forget everything, my nigga. Where? Once aeroplane they come Ghana, they go. Aeroplane they come Ghana, they go. And EBA they come Ghana, forget everything. Nobody go visit anybody in happiness stop. Forget everything. Unless you want me to sit your happiness stop. My nigga. Some of us, we won't die for Ghana. Oh. Some of us, we won't kill ourselves for the country. We won't make people survive for the country. That's why people they see me like this. Or people they feel say like, this some small boy will get some money. The small money where I get. You know that life you go live for time. You probably go feel down. But niggas still humble. You get what I'm saying? Like, niggas still living that normal street life. Nigga been driving on the streets. Nigga been meeting niggas on the street. Nigga been like, nigga link up with niggas. Like, you know, we they do things. You know what I mean? Humbly. Understand? It's just say, we will tell you what be right. Me forget everything. I say, go, you do if I talk, you put the record aside. I say, go ask my father. Go ask my father. Who be Charles Nyama Mensah Jr., a.k.a. Gaddafi, a.k.a. Mandela Montana, a.k.a. Steve Biko. No see how like that. If you see how like that, you go get out like that. That's swear everything. No see how like that. If you see how like that, you go get out like that. Bruh. But you don't understand. Life, if you don't take care, you go follow. Life, if you don't take care, you go follow. Crabs, you go visit the follow lion. And you see the real nigga them following the lions. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, me I be lion. I tell everybody, me I be lion. Lion they chew everything apart from mosquito and ant. I know like my man a lion. You get what I'm saying? Lion they talk truth. Everything lion they do be truth. Nothing with lion do we lie. Where? Lion. If like go zoo right now, go meet lion and try to do like you want advice lion. He go chew you. My nigga, you can't advise a lion. Forget it in your life. Forever and ever, amen. You can't advise. You can only tame a lion for a while. But when lion realizes it's a lion, nigga, you and your whole family is going down. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Like, go keep lion for your house right now. Feed them. Give them everything. Bad man, you don't know when lion go wake up. And lion go change your mind, say he be lion. Don't play with it. You don't make people check internet. Lion where they kill owners, where they own lions. Go check. Put it go some things. Man, nigga, you gotta live like a real lion if you be lion. If you don't say be cat. When lions are talking, don't talk. If you know you're a dog. When lions are talking, don't talk. You're a sheep, goat. When lions are talking, don't talk. You get me? Because it's been too much. You understand me? People know if you solve problem. You know if you solve problem. We all take Ghana way. People they do prophecy. You put if you solve them. It's the same fucking shit where you kill everybody. That stupid thing where you put Levi, you kill a very beautiful star. Worldwide star. What made that thing kill that girl? Yeah, you put a whole lot of timidity and fear. Your nigga, some of which I let me bad man. Me that things where I chop everything. Forget me. Don't see me like no. If you see me like that, yeah, go get them like that, bad man. If you see me like that, go get them like that. You gotta chop everything. Don't see me like that. Unless I say I no go chop. Nigga. Success. If you now the creator more. So if you like, you be gentle to success. Nigga, we rule to success. We want to rule success. We want to make success no say. If we want to control success. Success don't really pass my mind. Is like me fame. Fame self no feel hold me. Fame self no feel hold me because I dey control fame. That's why I'm so real to every nigga. That's why I come out to speak my mind to everybody. Make nobody see me like I be artist or I be what I'm doing. I'm fucking preaching. When they say gospel, how do you understand gospel? God will bring a whole lot of people come the world inside, make we survive, make we learn and survive. That be the only shit, nigga. God bring most of us come together, make we survive. You get what I'm saying? The prophet or they come, the teachings or if you say what they can teach you to survive, my nigga. Say Jesus come, they say Moses come, they say Pharaoh and Moses. They show powers. The powers where Moses they show Pharaoh was a teaching to all of us. But we will see our magic. Moses, stick to you the guy, tend to say, a